Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of used solar panels. Whether you're looking to save some money or reduce your environmental footprint, buying used solar panels can be a great option. But there are definitely some do's and don'ts to keep in mind, so let's jump right in. First things first, always do your research. I can't stress that enough. Learn about different types of solar panels, like what's the difference between monocrystalline and polycrystalline panels, their efficiency ratings and lifespan. Check reputable sources and forums for reviews and feedback from other buyers. Next up, when you find a potential seller, inspect the panels thoroughly. Look for any visible damage like cracks, snail trails, discoloration in the metal bus bars and the glass, or signs of corrosion. If there are any of these visible damages, the panels may have some performance issues and may not be worth purchasing at all. Test the electrical connections with a digital multimeter or a solar multimeter tester. I'll put up a picture so you know what I'm referring to. Also, ask for maintenance records if available. Now, let's talk about warranties. Many manufacturers offer warranties for new panels, but these may not transfer to second-hand buyers. So check if there's any warranty left and understand what it covers. Some sellers may give 90-day warranty, others may do 60, but it all depends on the condition of the solar panels. So do ask. The age of solar panels matters. Solar panels degrade over time, so consider the age of the panels and how much they've been used. Older panels may not be as efficient as newer ones, and their lifespan could be shorter. It's crucial to verify the performance of the panels. Ask the seller for recent performance data or conduct your own tests using a solar power meter. You want panels that can generate enough power to meet your needs when you are designing your system. Negotiate if there is room to do so. Don't be afraid to negotiate the price. Factor in the age, condition, and performance of the panels when making an offer. Remember that the seller can only sell them for what the seller thinks he or she can get for them, not what they are worth, seeing that they are used and not new panels. But also remember that quality comes at a price. Now, on to the don'ts. Don't overlook installation. Installing solar panels requires expertise, so unless you're experienced, it's best to hire a professional. Improper installation can lead to inefficiency and safety hazards. Another don't. Don't ignore compatibility. Make sure the used panels are compatible with your existing solar system or equipment. Mismatched components can lead to performance issues and even damage. Make sure that all the solar panels are the same in make and model, voltage, watts, and amps. Any mismatched solar can affect the performance of your system in the way of lower voltage and lower wattage. Last but not least, don't rush the decision. Take your time to weigh the pros and cons, compare options, and ask questions. Rushing into a purchase could lead to regrets down the road. And that's a wrap on our do's and don'ts for buying used solar panels. Remember to do your research, inspect thoroughly, and verify performance. And on the flip side, don't overlook installation, compatibility, or rush your decision. Taking all these steps when buying used solar panels will save you time, money, and frustration in the long run. So happy used solar panel shopping, folks. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and information about solar. See you next time.